Here's a quick sample of the next project I'm working on. Let me know what you guys think. Hopefully it sounds somewhat like a machine gun, and the lights look like it's actually firing. Be interesting to see when I put it in a plane. So that's it.